Look at her. Sheetal is here and we are in Delhi. So what's the plan?
Plan is Riya is coming. She's a bit late. It's fine.
A bit late?
A bit late. It's not her fault. We are going to have Rama Chole Bhature. Claps for that because it's very famous and
Claps.
amazing. And then we are going to have Mayapuri ke famous chole kulche.
So we're just gonna have chole all day?
Yes. Shut up. These non-Delhi people don't get it. It's different. Chole Bhature and chole kulche is different. And then we're going to go to Sarojini. And then we are going to this pizza place.
Oh.
And then we are going to go to Humayun's tomb if we have time. Then we
I
are
like
going
dead
to see
places.
Delhi. No, we are going
India
to see
Gate?
India Gate.
Sounds like a packed day.
Thank you.
We're gonna have the true Delhi experience by a Delhi local. Are you a local? Yeah, she's been bought and bought, like we can say that. But let's see. I'm gonna rate your itinerary after we have done it.
Such a bitch! But okay.
Yeah, of course, because it's my first time in
But
Delhi.
why would you rate it? That's like putting pressure on me.
I knew she would be on a jacket, bro. So these Bangalore people just still think we are here in the airport and priorities. Glam box is out.
So, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give this like a solid 7. The bhature is a little thick for my liking and oily. It's a little
It's
too
very oily, yeah.
But like the chole tastes delicious.
The heat is actually crazy. Amount of malai and spices and just overall fat that has gone into this. No, it's gonna come out. It's gonna taste that good. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. What is this? It's different. How much have you shopped until now?
Oh my god,
Not a lot. Not a lot.
not a lot, but I'm happy.
He's getting us the steals, like the good stuff. It's so big, you wouldn't know where to come.
She's bargaining like no other. She's got them skills.
We were staying at Sheetal's place, so we headed over there and I got to meet her dog Sultan, who is such a cutie. And after that, Sheetal's mom made us some amazing breakfast. Moment for this. So this is the Majnu Ka Tilla area.
No, it's not Tilla, it's Tila. We have come to Majnu Ka Tilla. As of now, the stalls are not here.
But the food looks good, so many restaurants.
We're gonna pelt some really crazy momos and ramen.
Oh my god, yes.
And dessert.
And dessert.
She's also there. She's also there.
What is she up to, Riya? Hi.
Hi.
Sarojini
She's up to no
Fridge.
good. She's up to
Full
no good.
Sarojini Fridge. It's good. Let's go check out the photo booth.
Going to start jewelry shopping in Janpur.
Better get good pieces, that's what we're here for.
Best pieces, bro. Best pieces.
The jewelry that we found in Janpat was so unique and had such a huge variety, something to match everyone's vibe, and I managed to find quite a few cute little pieces in my haul.
We are on a Monday morning.
Monday morning, unemployed, having a time of life.
Unemployed, that's true. Okay, guys. Okay, cheers, we have to do.
You can yell in Delhi and nobody cares. So, 1, 2, 3. Today is day 3 in Delhi and we are
Day 2.5.
day 2.5, but we're heading to Khan Market, get some books, have a nice meal, go to the airport, and we are done with Delhi. I wanted to go to Khan Market to check out all the different bookstores that they had there, and honestly it was such a nice vibe. So many different kind of bookstores, all of them having such different collections, and I would definitely visit here again, especially for Kirchand. Having some pan Asian food. This is called Ching Fun, and we already taste tested all of the sauces. We found our favorites.
This is my favorite.
Yeah, it's some garlicky thing. But let's dig in.
Oh, should take it all in. How is it?
We went to Big Chill Cakery since it was on my bucket list to try, and honestly it was one of the best bakeries I've been to with the crazy variety that they had. We got a couple of things to try, and after that it started raining and I had to head to the airport. So I'm back from Delhi. It's been some time and I wanted to do a quick haul of all the stuff that I bought in Delhi because there's a lot of stuff now when I actually look at it. Sarojini was good. I got this top, this black top, which is very cute. I think it's Zara originally, but yeah, found this very cute, and this material I'm sure would fit me, so that's why I got this white oversized t-shirt. I think I've been seeing this all over my Pinterest for like summers, so got this t-shirt. I also got this pink dress. So this is not really my style. I think it's a halter neck. Not really my style, but my friends really liked it for me and they made me get this, and actually when I tried it on, I love it. It's a very different vibe from what I usually wear, but this will be great for any kind of beach vacation. For my mom, I got this cream and black jumpsuit. It goes down, it has like pants thing going down and embroidery here. And this actually fit her so well, so I'm so glad I got this. The sizing was perfect. That's all from Sarojini. From Majnu Ki Tila, there were many like small stalls, and from that I got these 3 pairs of socks. So there's this cute avocado pair which I got, and then I got a couple of other simple sportsy kind of socks which I could wear because I go to the gym, so it will be really useful there. But some of the favorite stuff that I bought was from Janpat. So starting off, I got this necklace and earring set from my friend Cheryl because I saw it and it immediately reminded me of something she would wear. This is the necklace and it comes with matching earrings. It is a beautiful violet color and I immediately saw this and I was like, I have to get this for her. I got this for something around 1100, I think, the whole set. For myself, I got these couple of necklaces. One is this one. These charms are so cute. I think it's a shell, it's a pineapple and this like ovalish charm, but it's very pretty. I already wore it once and it looks so good. This kind of like pink gems and golden necklace. I think this would go really well with like Indian clothes for something minimalistic to wear. Apart from that, I got myself this green ring. I absolutely love green. I would buy anything in green. So I saw this and I knew I had to get this. And lastly, I got a pair of cute little necklaces. These are, I think, long shells. But yeah, these will go with anything. I went into book heaven at Khan Market. So I went to Behresens, I think it's called, and then Fakir Chand. I got 2 books for myself. One is Mornings in Jeddah. I've already read both of them and this one was beautiful. It's about the Israel-Palestine conflict and I think this gives a really good perspective, point of view into that. And second one I got was People in Trees. I love this author. I have read their book called This Little Life, which is one of the best books I've ever read. So I had to get something else by this author when I saw it. This one was okayish, a very different read like what I usually read.
can probably check it out. And finally, for my brother, he is a huge history fan, so he wanted me to get something about Indian history, any book related to that. So I got this Aurangzeb's book, I think, from Fakir Chand, and this was very newly released, so I think he was very happy with this. And the most cutest thing was this cute little postcard that they gave me at Fakir Chand. It is like they apparently have postcards for each season of Delhi, so this is Delhi summer postcard, very cute. But yeah, that is all I got from Delhi. I am not a huge shopper, so this was a lot to shop for me personally, but I'm so happy with everything I've got. To be able to visit Delhi again and shop and explore so much more, because I could do so less in 2.5 days, but it's a beautiful place. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.